Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to promote an auction. But first of all, you're going to have to connect your wallet. Now if you don't know how to connect your wallet, there will be a YouTube video on our YouTube channel which will explain how to do that. So after you've logged into your wallet, all you need to do is click here, click on Marketplace, and after that you need to choose the asset that you want to promote. I'm going to be choosing this one. And now all you need to do is click here on promote. And as you can see here, all I need to do is press copy link. And now you have copied the link and you can send it to wherever you want. And if someone clicks on that link, it will redirect them to this NFT asset. And there's also something like a referral bonus, which is not on this asset, but I will show one that there is in a couple seconds. So now here we can go on this one, and if we want to promote this one, as you can see we need to copy link again. But as you can see now, there is a referral bonus, and whoever also clicks on this will get redirected to this page. So for example, we want to test this out. All we need to do is open up a new page, put in the link, and as you can see it has redirected us right here.